ko na sobrang dry at cracked ng lips ko. Good thing I have Says Lady Tinted Lip Balm. Color 1 looks like a lip balm, but turns natural light pink. It's giving healthy and smooth, fresh lips. Pigmented at talagang napakadali lang niyang i-apply sa lips at talagang lightweight. Gagamitin ko naman ang Tinted Lip Balm color number 2 sa aking dry and cracked lips. From dry and cracked lips to fresh and moisturized lips. And now, ang gagamitin ko naman ng Tinted Lip Balm color number 3. Sobrang pigmented talaga. Ito yung darker shade na pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Grabe talaga tong mga tinted lip balm ni Says Lady. The best. Meron pa siyang 2 other shades, which is more pigmented. You can try these 2 shades kapag mas gusto mo ang colorful and darker shades. Do you want a healthy, pouty lips like me? Try Says Lady Tinted Lip Balm now. What shade is your favorite color? Get yours now!